Here's how to add a free shipping progress bar to your Shopify cart. No app needed. I'm going to open the theme settings. Going to cart, scroll down to free shipping and enable show free shipping message. You have three settings. The first one is the message displayed while the customer hasn't reached the threshold yet. This amount placeholder gets replaced automatically by the remaining amount. Keep it between the square brackets, otherwise it won't work. You can also bold or style the text here. The threshold is the cart total your customers need to reach to qualify for free shipping. And the success message is what they see once they've reached it. Let me show you how this looks. I'll add this product to the cart. The cart drawer opens and you can see the message right here. Free shipping is only this amount away. Now, if I increase the quantity, the total goes above the threshold and the message switches to the success message. This message also shows on the cart page. That's how you set up and display a free shipping progress bar in your cart, directly from the theme editor. This is built into the Aries Shopify theme. If you want to try it on your own store, the link is in the description.